with a bigger and more flavorful Bagong Pilipinas National Food Fair 2025. Buy local, eat local, go local, tara, kain tayo! This grand fair is happening now at Megatrade Halls 1 to 3 and will start the program in a few minutes.
Thank you. This triple-decker challenge will take you across the Pacific to a country.
Scan the QR code sa Gen app. Dito tayo sa scan na lahat. I think we are ready. Maraming salamat, Sir Vic. Very, very informative. Alam niyo yung mga bawal sa ating live stream. Alright, bawal lang mga aking baka. Ngayon ko nalaman yun. So, ladies and gentlemen, sa mga MSMs natin, alam ko nakita niyo kayo dyan. I know one of the challenges is inventory, yung stock to here, diba? Minsan, namalaki ka, wala na pala ako nito. So, alam naman namin na bawal maubusan ng condiments, diba? And, especially sa mga resto, diba? We're getting ready? Okay pa? Okay. And nire-ready lang po yung kanyang microphone. Circle Merchant Onboarding Assistance. So if you force a Grab booth, GCash booth naman ay 218 na nag-offer na person to merchant onboarding assistance. And i-announce ko na rin, meron tayong mga other booth. Booth number 210 ay PLDT. Puntahan niyo po sila yung nag-offer ng free Wi-Fi. NFF 2025, free Wi-Fi po. Pwede kayong pumunit pag hindi niyo basta na QR code. Machines is number 4. 226 and 227, the e-commerce bureau. So, huwag niyo kalimutan ha, nandun yan sa hall number 1. Alright? Ito, we have more special. We have someone from, teka nahan ko lang, our products. Let's find out how Lala Move is managing this lane of Valencia.
Hi, good afternoon. Yeah. How's your experience so far? Marami na po ba napamili? Or nakain? Okay. Who here is familiar with Lala Move? Anyone here na nakagamit na ng Lala Move? Sige. Let's give a little token of appreciation sa makakapag na ng Lala Move. Yes, sir. Spicy baby. Is it Lala Move? Like us. The African-American recipes yan for special from different regions. And for most region. So, hindi mo na kailangan pumunta ng Ilocos.
Thank you po.
May yung bagay or longganisa na specialty ng Ilocos.
Yes, madam. Nandito po po. Mahalaw. Pork garlic tapos sweet na sweet.
So, for those of you who know Lala,
ito ma'am, Mercado ma'am. Hindi po siya matamis.
just to give you a brief background, Lala Move entered the Philippine market in the year 2016.
Ito ma'am, sa Mercado ma'am.
Was founded.
Ito kasi si Mercado ma'am.
Years after, months from now or years from now, it also be so there are competitors that you can
Hi mom! Baked boneless bangus ready to eat na from Dagupan.
So, for a Philippine, that is actually known for its flexible, on-demand, and seafood. With just a few taps from your smartphone. So that's how that
Ito, garlic po. Ilang magkano? 60 pesos po yung 3 piraso mo. Sige, bigyan mo. Paano po ma'am? Pagluto na. Gaano katagal? Pagka ganito, meron kayo? Meron ma'am. Magkano? Ilang garlic? 350. Sa mga garlic na 350 grams. Sige ma'am. Wala ko sa konting tubig. Okay.
Magkano ganito?
50 pesos.
Kala ko 30. Ay, ibabalot ko ba? Te, pila isda? Ah, pilang isda? Ka naman? 160. Thank you po. 160. Sa inyo, ma'am.
1,000 yung pera ko.
Bicol Express. Isang Bicol Express po.
Thank you po.
Rice.
Isda lang po, Tebe.
Isa pa, ma'am.
Isa pa?
Isa pa.
Pork din? May ganun?
Pork.
Again, as I mentioned earlier, the least thing that we want our business partners to learn is yung logistics needs nila or logistics requirements. Para na natin, instead of you can add more stuff and say meron kang handling para anytime you want to book lana book pwede. And we can consolidate it into one account. Meaning to say they can also use one centralized payment one. So that's how accessible our corporate business. So also you have a logistic consultant when you open your business account with us. So mas marami tayo sa mas okay, kasi mas komportable kayo, mas at mas is kayo, mas yung mga pinakawalan nyo. Another thing is for reporting and analytics. So for some, this is not useful, but for others, they want to track who's spending nila. This is possible for Lala business. And lastly, so we also have this special promos. If you doesn't have the business account, let us know how can we help you to upgrade your account. You have to choose to upgrade your account. Go lang kayo sa settings or kung medyo nahihirapan kayo, visit our board, and then you can start to deliver or move your business today. So again, kung may ipapa-deliver, ipadala mo dito. Thank you so much and have a nice day.
Thank you so much, Ms. Lily Ariola. Yan, tama na. Right, nandun mo kayo sa gitna. Let's have your picture taken with your name card. Diyan lang ha. Put on your big smile. Yan, ako, when body, seryoso nga. Kasi, si Moni can deliver it to nearby cities. Kaibigan. Ito mga ako. Thank you so much. Thursday evening, yung gusto ko doon from the Central Luzon to Manila. I have my talks delivered from the Central Luzon. Now, here's one more thing. Speaking of delivery,
Tingnan mo. Lokban. Spicy mama.
Let's give a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Pero ubus na yan dito, sold out na eh. Sa groceries meron yan. Boss, gusto nyo mag-3 days?
Skillless. Bestseller namin din.
Gusto ko yung skinless. Sarap.
Bestseller.
Kahit pa na
Lahat naman ng flavor na chorizo namin.
negosyo nila, natitigilan sila pumunta sa mga informal. Kung mga alternatibo pa yung siyempre sa Manila, o kaya sa Pilipinas. Mga ano po sila, kaliwag-kano. Una na dito, ang sabi, bilang isa rin na may-ari ng isang paligid-negosyo. Siguro,
Thank you, sir.
hindi natin nagsasabi na hindi kailangan kasi sapat naman yung sarili kong kapital. O kaya meron akong pangkalabon. Ngunit, sa marami naman dito, kailangan pa rin makakuha ng loans. Upang makalawang financing institution.
Sige, sir, i-ikon natin. Okay na yun, ganyan na.
Katulad na lang ng pangangalaman, available ako sa maraming provision. So,
Walang maliit eh, no?
Tapos bumili ka na sila. Meron din po nakabalat na po. Baliktad. May nail on. Sir, nail on. May nakabalat naman, sir. Para hindi na kayo maglinis. Purpose na. Meron din po kami na nakabox, sir. Kung gusto mo. Meron din pong luto. Same lang po sila ng packaging. Thank you! Pwede po kayo mag-order sa amin, sir, online. Sa Facebook po, The Touch Aqua Farm Inc. May stocks naman po kami dun sa malapit sa Pag-ibig po, Shopping Center. Thank you! Mga tuyo. 120, 150. Galing Isabela. Meron din pong pure na tuyo na. Yung bangus mo, mama, tataba. 6 na hiwa na po yan, ma'am. 200 pesos.
So, sa huli, itong mga programa ito ay para sa
DJ, naipalala. Gamit mo. Dagat siya. Kailangan sa panigusyo.
Ma'am, sliced bread, kaya to, like in Singapore. Ito po, actually, yung ginagamit nila. Ang smooth. Wow. Ako nagluluto nito, ma'am.
Ate, pwede yan? Tapos sabi yung sa firewood.
Yung ayun na lang.
Baler po.
Kunti lang po. Baler.
building a brighter future for all residents in the future. So mga bago, you can download the app, order, and use the code SEAN15U for all new
Kanina ako siguro. Ano to? Isa pa? Hina pa. Bangus. Ay, bangus.
Thank you so much, Lensha. Diyan na kayo sa kita. Let's take a picture with your name card. Mamaya, Sean15U. And solo naman with a gift. Siyempre, pakita natin yan. Now, sino na mga nag-scan kanina ng code? Speaking of Sean15U, tama na, Sean15U. Sino mga nag-scan ng code kanina sa Shopee? Mag-a-announce tayo ng dalawang winners sa ating Shopee ng 1,000 pesos. Dito na kayo mamaya sa booth ng Shopee. Okay, dito muna kayo. Let's have a picture taken. 1,000 pesos. Bawal maubusan. Like, condiments ng mga resto at kung ano pa. I did a crash course on inventory management. This is a part of their course or trainings offered sa Academy of Developmental Logistics.
Okay, good afternoon, everybody. It's inventory that I lived through inventory management on basic inventory management. So what is inventory management? So essentially it's knowing what to buy, quantity, when to buy your products, where to buy, where to source your products, supplier, so to ensure also your uninterrupted production. It's very important that we keep a very good management of our stocks. So there are different types of inventory. One is our raw materials. So anything that is always raw materials. So let's say you're making cakes, bread,
Kasi agad
your rice.
gising ko. Kaya
Palagi ka rin pala umuwi.
So that's MRO, how we verify your So what are the elements of inventory management? So so you plan properly where you're going to put all your supplies, all your actually buying now of your supplies, your ingredients. Are your products coming from all over the different items? Or are you or have to make sure that you're doing because you don't know inventory. Like especially for your life, but also those will be not good after several years. That's what you want to make sure that you optimize your inventory. So there are different kinds of inventory management. How you manage your inventory. There is the stocks in place. So you just have to identify which of yours in mind. I think a lot of companies or these are just in mind. It's just having your listing. So you don't have a lot of storage space. So just make sure that you get your ingredients right just at the right time. So this avoids spoilage. You're ordering, how would you call it, the right amount minimum order, right? It's something similar to you as a producer, where you just have to order the right amount so you have it at the right price, you get it at the right price. Or a more practical price for you. Not expensive, but not too cheap also. Because you might be sacrificing also on the quality of your ingredients. So this is the best quantity to order. This also has to do with how your materials ready for you. And then there's also the inventory management. One is cost. It is quite costly to have a working, so And then the next, some of these tools are really quite available substances for your ingredients or for your materials. Then if something becomes obsolete. And then limited storage space. If you don't have a warehouse for ingredients, maybe it's a 2,000
Wait, sir.
and then really challenge us. But it's really having a good, well-staffed kitchen, having the right it's very manual. You really have to be on it. If you go online, you can find it. So heavily, sorting, pictures around the work, and next week. So, one of the most important things is first in, first out. In our homes, in all our kitchens, it's always one ingredient in first. It's always the first that was cut the supply chain. So, same thing.
Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss April Arboleda. Let's have your photo taken again. Solo mo muna na. Grabe ang inventory management. A little to your left or right pala. There we go. And Miss April, pagdamutan mo na ang ating small token for you. Please. Picture mo na tayo.
Ito po yung aming main cards.
And one solo photo with the NFF merchandise. Meron tayong Apron. Congratulations. Napakaswerte ko ngayon. Ikaw ba ulit? Ulitin ko. Our two winners is display lang here to the Ma'am, kasi 1,000 din kayo pag-isip na ito, 2 weeks bago natin makilip. Joy Aeron, dahil natin siya, kapag natin ang representative from Shopee also. Alright. Joy! Please go to the booth ng Shopee sa booth number.
Try nyo, sir. Smoked mackerel and then classic garlic po. Mackerel, sir, is cost 190 po. And then para sa classic flavor namin is 205. And then for our new flavors po is 250. And then may 300 grams kami for 400 pesos po per bottle. Pwede kami for gift po. Naka-box po. 1 to po. Naka-box.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for us to announce the winner of 5. Let's do it, 5,000 pesos! There you go. Si Joy, yan. Joy, special ka.
May coffee day po.
Yan ang napapalan ng CCR. Right here, it's going to be available in 2 weeks. Asan ka?
Tingnan, sir. Ano po kami pretty? Regular,
Grabe, basta. So, e-commerce centers and whatever announcements are needed. Si Chef Tahir, nag-ready mo sa buwan ng ingredients. So, easier. Hinuha ka ng mga ingredients to. Now, since we already have a few winners mamaya, meron na tayong special announcements. Meron pa tayong solo gist mamaya. Please go at Instagram at Christina on TikTok and Instagram. Kaya, gusto niya kayo pagbahin here. Kailangan natin tumawag ng isang exhibitor sa booth number, random ko. Booth number 91. Booth number 91. Wheel numbers for wheel is 235. Who's number 235? Please, promoter, this is here. It is your chance. I'll give you 5 seconds. Alright. We're gonna just go around and see there. We'll see. This side is a favorite of mine because there's lots of things going on here from all over. Ito, hindi ko na lang book number 91, pero hindi naman na ako. Kaya pinag-iwan ka na siya. Okay na, hello? Yes. Okay. Lalo mo ipasa kay Baby daw just in case, gusto nyo pa mag-continue ang business moving forward. Yung maliit at yung malaki ka? Pakawin lang po. Kasi sa pakawin lang maliit nila.
May hindi ka pang 100. So, dagdagan 50 pesos.
Mamaya, pupunta ka na dito ulit. Mamila ka ng something dito.
Baka sige na. Dito ka na lang. Kaya mas may kubo. Sarap. Pinagin ako na to. Para dun kay Joy.
Kung gusto mo subukan ito, meron sila. Dalawang piraso na lang siya.
Sa mga nagigit naman nyo sa akin na yung Facebook, Victory Hall 1, 2, and 3. Yan. Let's go. Sir, maraming hindi na makakagala ng paras. Kailan po ba yan? Paano na ba?
Kahit gusto niya i-taste ang aming red part. Medyo na-taste na. Ano tayo? Ito ang panagamit. For coffees, pwede mo siya. Parang pan-chocolate. Yes, yung tep.
Puro 1 pesos na lang yung lang, di ba? Kasi isang brand na
Actually, different ang money. Depende na ito.
From Bigay Pagkasinan, pupunta naman eh.
Pagkita lang po yung konti. Mabenta mo. Para mag-design. Hindi sa bata.
Kayo owner sir ng ano? Mexicali?
Bali, Mexicali.
Mexicali. Thank you. Sir.
May hatas na kayo sir, may hatas na kayo. May kasi na-fresh ka ko lang.
May taga ano din eh, kainta na burger. Ginamit din to.
Sorry. Lagi kami nagpo-provide ng gamit at tubig.
Kaya yung mga aking ay naanap ko lang is yun yung address natin. For example, type for ID for and then prototype the batch formation, per batch of ilang piraso, and so on. And also, may feasibility study kung saan po ay malaman kung kailan po mag-calculate ng ROI or return on investment yung mga licenses or potential licenses po. And also, kung ano na matagal yung ating produkto. This transfer of technologies or technical know-how para po malaman po. So yung ating qualified licenses and others naman po is to report na mag-invest sa necessary equipment, facility, road address, and among others para naman po mag-produce natin yung i-adapt ng technology. And if I adapt to the US, the other technologies and there comes the solution. Everything under
Sir, CT's next pwedeng hand care, pwede check-in.
rice and iron. So ito po yung ina-advance or rice para po ang ina-address naman po dito is the higher efficiency area. Ang aming direct licenses po dito is
Okay, seafood snack, sir. Real seafood po ito, sir, lahat.
ang aming target market is the pregnant, women, children, adults, and elderly. Also, for the equipment cost as a qualified license, so kailangan na natin mag-invest sa mga equipment na kailangan po.
Hi, ma'am!
So, it says price of the videos na nagpa-commercialize po ng technology in the US.
Hi, ma'am!
And ang ating average price sa videos na technology. And ang workers is 200 weeks for for the equipment and raw materials, ito po yung kailangan moisture lights and bread and
Cheese po kami 110 grams.
so next is the average of the so ito po yung
Maganda yan pang regalo.
Yes po.
Yung nilalagyan.
Pang token, ganun po. Products from La Union, sir. May free days kami. Baka gusto yung pumatay.
for 100.
Wala siya. Yan yung ano niya, ng kanyang kasi ito warmer lang siya. So hindi siya lalagay. Kahit mag-aapos. Mas strict na sila kasi nandito sila first day kasi hindi. Pero after pag-alis naman nila, medyo maluwag. Ito ba yung mga purse ko?
Bareda.
70 lang.
Today to everyone. Welcome again to the 2025 National Food Fair. About 300 showcasing their delicious dishes and yummy delights from regions all over. Don't miss the fun. We have business talks, cooking demos, we have wine tasting fest and product presentations. We'll start the program in a few minutes. F 2025. So, walang hindi yung password. Isa tayo ng group. Postpaid, broadband, and prepaid offerings on the globe. So, walang palamasin, isa tayo ng e-commerce partner groups na malapit sa all three. So, hindi na nyo karanasan sa National Food Fair 2025. We have special services na makakawin dito sa Food Fair 2025 all three. Ito po ay pangawin, online seller, meron pa yung Shopee, TikTok, at food pack of booths, food tent, sa Shopee, food lines sa Shopee.
Ready for their supply.
Okay.
And if there is the bar or restaurant that they are interested for our product, for make a cocktail or for just sell the bottles, yes, we are totally open for that. And we can do also a mix.
Oh, you can.
Then, for example, in the
tweak it.
this one and this one are in the same package. Then we can do 6 and 6, or if you want 8, we can mix it. If you want just one with another one, 1, 2, and 3 are in the same box.
Yeah.
Then you can totally mix it. We can talk about the opportunity for the bar.
Okay, because I know someone who's trying to open a coffee bar.
Makakamit natin ito, mamaya sa ating Instagram. Kami, marami kayo pumunta.
Nagaling pa kayo, Marinduque?
Ako ay
Yes.
host and you can follow me on Instagram at Christina Rajin.
Paano kung i-discount dito, ay pagbibigyan sana? Wala talaga.
Sa 143. Ito na, ang first
Pero hindi siya sweet.
Yeah, ready. Meron siyang mic agad. Alam mo na yung this people nito. Kaya Tita Luz kayo ngayon. Alright. Miss, Tita Luz, galing kayo ng Bulacan, tama ba? Wow, ano matagal na kayong nagluluto ng meat products? Ano yung sabihin pang gumagawa lang talaga? Pero hindi. Sorry ba?
Basta kayo sa oh, pure na pili po yan sa namin. Pure na pure po.
Wala yung tart na...
Bilog. Ay, ito po yung butard namin. Meron po kami bilog, madam. Ito, oh.
Tayo mo kayo ng bilog.
Ano, madam? Double naman siya ko. Ano, madam? Pagkalagay mo sa rep, ang sarapan.
Dinig pa.
So, pag-iisa ko 180 lahat, 500 grams. Kahit anong flavor naman, no? Okay. Alright.
Chips siya. So, laman ng yun. Tapos isa-slice namin and then bake. Yun. So, healthy siya. Healthy snack siya. Kasi we use coconut nectar as sweetener. Hindi kami gumagamit ng cane sugar. Hindi namin binibake din. So, binibake namin siya. So, very healthy yung choice ko talaga compared to everything else na.
Ayan. So, perfect. So,
ito yung product namin. With coconut chips pa. Pag Davao ng soup.
Dito tayo mapapakita ng Gcash. Baka mag-send agad ng Gcash sa inyo. Totoo ba? Yan. Yan. Para marinig. Napupuno yung ano. So, mas nalagang sa akin sa People Express, ma'am, no?
Ano po yung nilagay namin? Coconut milk.
Oo. Nagre-reveal. Tama mo. Wow, at saka sa European Union. Wow. Bakit ito matagal yun ng gawain ko? Like, iluto ka na matagal yung char or processed food. Grabe. Mamaya po yung makakating yung ano ulit. Actually, 5,000 digital vouchers. So, papalitan natin mamaya ng money. Pero hindi ko mawala ang QR code. So, kung kaya sa phone, if you want to
100% that we can dairy free, dairy free, zero trans fat, sugar free eh.
Nakakalito, pero
Yes, then if bibili mo yung like say, 5 minutes pa lang. Ito po yung ayan siya.
medyo makikita yung pero okay lang. Makikita ka nilang signal dito. So, ladies and gentlemen, kung kayo dito na sa digital TikTok talk kahapon, at mananalo pa kayo. Mananalo pa kayo ng digital vouchers. Ladies and gentlemen, again, ulitin ko makikita niyo naman 5 winners of 1,000 pesos digital vouchers. And 1 winner of 5 pesos. Saan na kayo? Kaya tayo. Kaya na, mahaba ka ng credentials, so kailangan mo ba? Kasi lahat kayo nasa cellphone na kayo ng internet na ngayon. Ladies and gentlemen, not just selling, but through friends within your city, but you're selling worldwide because of live streaming. And in here, our next speaker will equip you with this.
So before we begin, guys, on behalf of Shopee, I'd like to take this opportunity to for 5 people. Okay, so guys, sakto-sakto yung voucher na makatulungan nyo for our upcoming payments here. Okay, so again, my name is Sarah. I am one of the Sarah. Okay, so Shopee's watch live stream online. I would like to let everyone know that Shopee actually has their own live streaming platform. Kaya naman ng isang live stream content. So usually, isang live stream content, they like selling products through the form of a live stream. Okay? So, the best part about having a live stream is that there is a network for you, ikaw na buyer, communicate with the seller. Now, you can see your own why I love teaching live streaming for sellers or it's always a good idea, game changer because of its explosive growth. Okay? So, yung global live stream commerce market, it was worth $20 billion noong 2022 and it grew to $31.7 billion in 2023. So, it's an exponential growth talaga and it is expected to reach $55 billion in Miami orders. So, ito, the reviewer na nanonood. So, which is 10 times higher than traditional e-commerce methods. Okay? And of course, so, nagkakaroon kayo ng communication or you can talk about a certain
sana ko, ganda ng cover. Sir, baka may something.
A community for your category and your products. Okay? So, just to give you an idea, guys, the country China is one of the top countries that heavily uses social media and mga sabihin yung sobrang appealing talaga, sobrang besides China, Shopee also offers promotions and campaigns that center towards live streaming. So, kung makikita dito, we have sa Shopee kasi, we have this thing called the shopping mall, yung mga brands na they sometimes utilize marketing tools such as live stream para makabenta sila ng products. So, yung mga brands namin, they would usually, let's say Shopee mismo, we have our main live stream page or live stream link where you can watch. We would sometimes invite celebrity direct engagement to the buyer or the seller. Okay? Power bars, chargers ng cell phones, cases, they're great content creators that you can buy. Hindi naman tumastos, pwede kasi pwede yung mag-live stream. You don't need to hire someone, pero it really helps kasi if may product knowledge na and yung confidence na yung nag-live stream for you. Okay? So, depende na lang din sa plan at na strategy mo. Pero kasi matatapos yung live stream at yung offer na promotion. Dahil ko na sa part ko ito, ilalagay ko sa back ko. Kasi by the time na matapos magsalita ko, baka natunahan na ako or wala na stock ako. So, it's always a good idea to consider urgency and creating good deals. Okay? And then, one technique na tinupo sa amin ng mga experts namin sa Shopee na sellers is to offer something new in terms of varieties live stream. Kasi tandaan nyo guys, yung oras nyo, pag-uwi nyo ng bahay, kasi buyer or the takeaway to capture the attention of the television products. So ngayon, every time you run a live stream, dapat meron lang ino-offer na bagong product, bagong variation, so that they know consistently na, uy, kapag nag-live stream mo for yung content creator na to or seller na to, meron siyang bagong product. So sa isipin ko, eventually they get to buy yung content. Okay? And then of course, gamification. So maybe you can offer, kasi what we have is Shopee Gold Points and other forms of things, points na live stream platform, and offer the ease of using it on your phone, not only signing in camera, green lights, and the rest. And then you can now utilize live stream and engage with the community. So usually guys, pag nag-start kayo ng live stream, huwag naman po kayo mag-expect na when you start doing a live stream, usually you get 5 to 10 views. Or start kasi siya naman sila. So the usual start of a scene is you get inside sa pleasing personality, hindi mo alam from the visitor, just have a really good product knowledge, patience guys. Kasi pwede kumakaroon ng isang oras, wala mo na. That's very important. Okay, so when it comes to showing this live stream, all you need is live stream, my dashboard, and the rest. So usually from the live stream, these are the most how the base of the live stream is working. Maybe to offer a discount with one of the live stream, and then usually always have a content connection. Para yung everyone can wait that's how the live stream. Okay? And then last but not the least, very important as well, a ring light. Okay?
naman ang mabagal yung pero nagulat ako hindi naman yung ini-expect ko sa turnout na para lang hindi ginamit niya pala yung yung dalagdan sa
bakit importante ito po? Kasi you stick to or when you stick to a okay, so mag-like ito ako, I will try to execute this for 3 months. 3 months or something. You will now stick to a schedule mo, gagawin mo yung first day. You will create a level towards the okay, so always expect that, guys.
make your habits
so consistency, as I have mentioned, is very important. So please be aware or please keep in mind na once you commit to doing live streams, huwag po sasagot po tayo maghihingi ng loob kapag wala ang response mo. Mas magigets mo kung paano kayo mag-communicate. So, kasi yung scam guys, so syempre, kapag may live stream, bawal ito ng mga timers o tinutulog ka. So, ibig sabihin po yung host nyo, mas i-engage bawat rin po yung black screen. So, ibig sabihin niya, naglolo ko yung live stream nyo, pinag-8 kasi ako so i-report ko na lang sa video ko. Kasi pag gano'n, pwede mo mag-find kailangan guys, live stream na po kasi the point of it is for you to communicate with your partners. Okay? So, bawal rin po magbenta ng fake products kasi accurate product information yun. And of course, bawal na itingin ng personal information ng product nyo, such as you revealing your personal information as well as the host. Okay? And of course, bawal po magbenta ng illegal products on our platform.
Korean. Sorry.
Wala kang kasi nag-event lang ako.
Ridge.
With CPR.
With CPR tsaka
Eh, pag sa mula yan sa...
Would you like to try?
Content creator. Nova po. Tangerine grapefruit ang flavor profile niya.
Most beautiful cuisine in the world. Get that.
My favorite. I've been studying Japanese food for the past 10 years, so I'm super pumped to show everybody what's up.
This is true craftsmanship. This is Shibuya. This is not just about speed. This is about precision and quality. Not simple. I actually spent some time in a local fish market in Halifax, filleting fish by the dozens. So I have to follow my instincts. Each of these home cooks is really concentrating on removing that first fillet. They want to make sure there's no flesh left on the bone. Taya has already cut herself. That's really great stuff.
Espasol, sir, pulburon, mga yoga drink po. Gatas po ng kalabaw, sir.
Really important Filipino culture. So when I have this, it's vinegar, so it's vinegar. Good morning. Ooh, that's lovely, isn't it? It has an acidic behavior, it's very sharp. And it's floral, complex. It's a little bit softer than wine vinegars. It's made from cane syrup. So sukan masim is one of the many sour agents you'll see across Filipino cuisine, and our chicken sauce is based on that. I love soy sauce. And one of the other ingredients is a lot of, and there's soy sauce in there, but I don't want to overwhelm that vinegar flavor with soy. It just needs a tiny bit of a trusting mixture. It's easy.
Honey, wild honey, at saka
So next time I got there, when it comes to lumpia, everyone has their own family recipe. So you'll see a lot of variations. I spoke to 2 Filipino chefs to learn about the lumpia they grew up eating and the lumpia they serve now. So I really want to thank Mentu Lao from Tanam Restaurant in Somerville, Massachusetts, and Tim Flores and Spaces in Sala and Chicago to share their recipe.
oh, ito na. Thank you po.
These are wrappers. They're lumpia wrappers. You'll often see them in those.
Mild lang siya. Instead na soft drink sa mga bata. Thank you.
Coffee and juicer gawa sa gulay.
having a dryer, knife meal, digital screen, window analyzer, and brain transfer. So same lang din po siya the iron rice bread na again. For the raw materials, magkakaroon po sila sa pagkakasya, rice flour, and after ingredients. Next, technology is the iodine range between water or what we call purified. So ito po ay meron po na ordinary potable water purified from EPIDA iodine. Ang process dito is the iodine certificate. And ang aking target licensing score is the water jurisdiction, water monitoring, and regulatory standards. Ang aking target market dito is the permanent women, children, adults, and adults.
Nilagyan ng bawang sibuyas po ma.
And for the equipment, kailangan lang po natin ng water purification system, digital dispenser, digital platform balance, and classrooms. And kailangan lang din po natin invest for storage room and iodine preparation. Approximately for the 4.2 para po makakapagpapos tayo ng water. And next technology po is
Sir, picture muna tayo para may receive po pero kanyan.
If you want to get out, learn how to play the center account, and also for your phone numbers, go ahead and visit our booth. Guys, nandun po kami. Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Nick. Yes, we can exit the stage. Maraming salamat. Marami kami natutunan. At napag-scan na ba ang lahat? Hindi ba? Mag-flash natin yung QR code one more time so that you can scan. And if you have a second account, like mga pataroon dyan yung mga sumisecond account, medyo lang. Shopee naman to eh. Bawal lang magmahal sa Shopee. Kaya scan natin yung QR code one more time, right? Get ready with your phones.